Well, we have our chart created from the Excel data. We have done it in a very straightforward way. And we see that we have to improve necessarily its presentation. For example, it has no title to indicate what it's about. When we click on the chart, within what are the chart tools, we have a specific tab to improve or control all of the presentation parameters of this chart. In it, for example, we see that within what is the labels group, we can control, we have a specific button, a drop-down menu with the title of the chart. We can select no title, or we can get it to put a title in the center and superimposed on the chart, or even to be more elegant in this case, positioned above the area. That is, that the area reserved for the chart is made a bit smaller and a title is put above. We at any time can select this text and tell is, for example, that this is income and consumption in Spain or at a given moment, given block of years. In this way we have introduced this title that we could remove or put superimposed as we have said, or even we have a whole series of options or specific possibilities for improving the fill, the typeface or the size. Meaning truly that we will have many options for controlling the chart title. Ultimately, it is what we have been able to very quickly and easily improve the presentation.